Hi, I'm Peter Nixon with another tactic for you to manage stress and de-escalate conflict in your lives during this pandemic. Today, we're looking at tactic number 34, which is to brainstorm alternative solutions. Brainstorm alternative solutions. A little bit different than one of the earlier ones, which talked about hypothetical, what if. This one is simply brainstorming possible solutions. And let me give you an example. The pandemic has caused incredible disruption to retail. Retail clients of mine are struggling, trying to figure out how to do sales, how to maintain sales, how to switch from having customers in the store to having sales online, because it all changed so quickly overnight. And those who are able to pivot to online sales have done pretty well, but they're still struggling with the amount of rent that they're paying for retail space, because commercial landlords still expect to collect the same rent that is in the lease, even though the revenue that perhaps structured the lease when it was written a few years ago is no longer there. So looking at different alternatives on how the space can be used has led to very interesting innovations to using space that was perhaps set up for one reason to be used for entirely different reasons. For example, a yoga studio that's now being used for an event space, a pub that is now being used for event space, a restaurant that shrunk its space for retail diners, but expanded its sales for online orders. Now, all of this is a result of managing with the stress, continuing the dialogue, resolving the conflict through brainstorming of solutions, and then possibly also trying a few and see how it goes. If it doesn't go well, you try other ones. Try and fail in order to succeed sooner is a well-known tactic as well. So try this, very important, tactic number 34, to brainstorm alternative solutions when you find yourselves in conflict. And if you can, brainstorm with all the parties involved in the conflict. That will help you. Join us tomorrow for another dialogue tactic when we talk about forgiveness. I'm Peter Nixon for PDI Online, reminding you the quality of the dialogues you have today directly influences the quality of your future tomorrow.